Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see your Netflix password, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're logged in and once you create your account, there is no technically legal way to see your password online. It is very protected so that your identity and that your account and your personal details are well protected as well. So you have no way of going to the settings and seeing your password. The only way that you can see this is if you go into your browser, if you're using your PC, and checking out, for example, in Chrome. If I go here, you have your password manager with passwords and autofill, and you can go to your Google Password Manager and figure out if you've saved your password there. You can see it very clearly. If you haven't, then you should have it written somewhere. However, if you don't have it saved anywhere in any password manager or in any physical copy, then that's pretty much it, and then you cannot see it anymore. However, if you've forgotten it, what you can do is go to your account and click on security, go into password, and then click on forgot password to change your password. If you've forgotten it, just enter your email or a phone number, receive a text or an email, enter the code or click a link and go to your password reset page, and that should be pretty much it. Once you reset your password, make sure you write it down so that you don't forget it, but that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.